Skansen is an open air museum and zoo in Stockholm, Sweden. It's known for showcasing Swedish culture, history, and wildlife with historic buildings, traditional crafts, and Nordic animals. Skansen is super cool. It's like stepping into Sweden's past. Some highlights about Skansen, just to mention, is the historic buildings, houses, farms, and workshops from different eras. Traditional crafts also you can watch here. Artisans craft glass, weave textile, or bake bread. We tried a coffee and a bread there, which was really awesome. You can also watch some Nordic animals like reindeer, moose, and other native wildlife. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel Andrani Cooks, where I make really travel a beautiful experience. Today we are at Stockholm, Sweden, and we are talking about the Skansen. In Skansen, you can also see some cultural events if it is going on, some folk music, dancing, and festivals throughout the year actually. So just enjoy Skansen as I have seen here. Regarding the tickets, there is a booking counter. You can book tickets from there, but if you buy online tickets, you get a huge discount on that. And throughout the year, you can visit there, but better to avoid the chill winters. We visited there in the month of March, and it was so. Our next destination was the Vasa Museum in Stockholm. Vasa showcases the remarkably preserved 17th century warship Vasa, which sank on its maiden voyage on around 1628. It's a must see for maritime history buffs. The ship was recovered in 1961 and is now displayed with many of its original artifacts. The Vasa Museum is a real treasure trove. Vasa is incredibly well preserved with 98% of its original structure intact. The museum showcases artifacts recovered from the ship, indulging sculptures, weapons, and personal items. Vasa sank due to instability caused by too many heavy guns on upper deck. Over 40,000 pieces were recovered and reassembled here. Ticket prices vary according to the season, which you have to check there. Our next destination was Stockholm Royal Palace, which is situated in Gamla the historic center of Stockholm, Sweden. So actually we visited in the month of March. So the timing was from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So when we visited there, the Royal Palace was closed, and the tickets are there for each adults around 1500 Indian rupee, Indian currency, that you have to check there. For children and students it is around 727, and under 7 years kids, it's free. Now this royal apartments have some lavish rooms with gold and mirror. They displays royal regalia including the crowns. The daily ceremony at 12:50 12:15 p.m. from Monday to Saturday, and 1:15 p.m. Sunday and holidays. This changing of guards take place. You have to plan for at least 2 to 3 hours with guided tour included in the ticket. Most areas are wheelchair friendly in this royal palace with restrooms, lockers, and there is also a gift shop. I tried my best to provide all the knowledges that I have gathered while my recent visit. Friends, if you all like my video, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe and be the member of my family. Thank you all for watching. Stay happy, stay merry.